Hello.
Yes,
Hi dear,
hi.
this is Vidya, your QA trainer.
Yes, hello Vidya.
Hi dear, how are you?
I'm fine. How are you?
I'm fine, thank you. I'm sharing the screen. Are you able to view my screen?
Yes.
Okay. So this is Sahafali, right?
Shafali.
Shafali, yeah. How are you dear?
I'm great. Thanks
Yeah,
for asking.
cool. Yeah, I'm sharing the screen. So we'll start the session now. First of all, let me introduce myself dear. My name is Vidya. Recently my designation got changed as a test lead. I'm having 8+ years of experience. I'm working as well as I'm handling online classes.
Okay.
This is my information. Thank you. Please tell me about yourself.
Um, yes, I have over 15 years of sales experience, and this is technology,
Mhm.
IT is new for me.
Okay, so you're having a 15 years experience on?
Pharmaceutical sales and staffing in telecom. So I'm
Oh,
familiar
okay, that's great.
with the telecom domain, but not in anything in software testing.
Okay, that's fine dear, no problem. So what's your qualification dear?
I have a bachelor's from University of Michigan
Okay,
in
cool.
business
Okay. One quick question to you. Why you want to change your career? Is there any specific reason?
because I'm tired of the pressure of sales.
Okay. Okay. So you're having a special work.
I'm sorry?
So you're facing any special work into your previous work location or what?
Well, sales is always pressure, isn't it? So
Yeah, that's true. So that is the reason you want to change your career. And who suggested you to enter into the software company, that too in testing side? Is anyone specific?
yes, of course, lots of people. I have lots of friends in the in
Software.
yes.
Okay, that's cool. One of the easiest job location, cool job location in software company is testing dear. One of the dead easy job I can say. See, best example is myself only. I used to work, I used to take the classes. Most of the students may feel that it is a special, but nowhere it is. One of the cool job in the software company is testing. Just basic techniques if you follow, that is enough dear. Okay,
Okay.
fine. Now, let's see here. So what we are going to plan, what is our agenda, we'll discuss now. So before that, you're entering into the software company, right? That too where your belongs to one of the department called testing department. That too your role is tester. Before learning what you are about to do, first what our agenda you should know. See, directly I'm not starting what is testing, how to do testing. I'm not starting from that. First basic things we have to learn. In software company, in testing department, there are two types of testings, or there are two ways of testings. So this is our agenda. In software company, there are two ways of testings. One is manual testing. Another one is automation testing. One is manual and another one is automation. So what is manual means, let's say for example, from your home to shopping mall, if you are going by walk, which is called manual process. If you are using any vehicle to reach the shopping mall, which is called automation. If you are using any vehicle. If you are going by walk, it may takes around, example only, it may takes around 1 hour of time. If you are using any vehicle to reach the shopping mall, it will take around 30 minutes of time. See the ratio between timelines of manual as well as automation. So manual testing means without any tool or a machinery help. If you are testing any software, is called manual testing. If you are using any tool or a machinery help to test the software, is called automation testing. So two ways of testing we used to do. One is manual testing, another one is automation. Is that clear?
Yes, but you spelled automation wrong. I'm sure it's just a typo.
Yeah, it's a typo, sorry.
Okay.
Because my focus is on whiteboard only, Nadir. So typing keyboard I won't see. So maybe you will get a more and more typo
No
mistakes.
problem.
Please adjust. Okay.
Okay.
Now I'm going to start with manual testing first. Along with the manual testing, I will provide you 3 real-time projects. Three real-time projects along with the manual testing. One is banking project. For this you will get a documentation. Okay. One is banking project. Just have a look. You will get a documentation. This is a project documentation. With the screenshots I'm providing. You can use this project into your resume. Okay.
Okay.
So what it is in detail in coming class I'm going to teach you. Each and every screenshot I'm providing with validations of the module. Next, what is module, what is validation, everything in a class I will teach you, dear. Next.
Great.
Fine. Along with the banking project, one more project with the software also I'm going to release, which is called Employee Information System. For this you will get a software also. Have a look. One of the module, my company's project I'm sharing right now, basically it is a patient details form, hospital related. Module domain is healthcare. It's a hospital related software. I changed the title as a employee because my client is using this software right now. I can't give the exact software because of some security reasons. So what I did is I asked my developers to change the title and fields options. Functionality is same, working process is same, but look and feel is different. So it's a employee details. Basically it is a patient details form. In the hospital, HR reception is going to fill the form. So that application I'm sharing to you right now. So front end, whatever data we have entered, example here, see, I'm entering first name, online, middle name, training, last name, A, just basic information only. So just rough input data I'm selecting. If you want, you can select valid names like first name Vidya, middle name Shri, last name A, just test, mobile number so and so, test at Gmail. First 3 names remember, first name, last name, middle name, just remember. So here whatever data I'm selecting, click on save button, you will get one message like data or record saved successfully into one secured location. That secured location is in your system. Go to start, computer, C drive, OP folder. Last record is there now, open that one. So in the hospital, patient records will be maintained in this way. Front end, whatever we have entered, it is getting stored in somewhere else in secure location. One live software I'm sharing to you. Wantedly, I asked my developers to create a mistakes. They made it. You have to identify. So one of the project with the software I'm releasing, employee information system. Along with this, one more project I'm providing, which is called student registration form. For this also, you will get a software. See dear, I'm talking about around 10 to 15 years back, most of the educational departments are using their student details in books. Nowadays, everything is getting computerized work. So they are asking some softwares, one live software which I'm sharing. Right now, my company is working on that application only. One patch file I'm sharing to you. One school related details will be maintained. So this is one software with two sub-modules. One is search and the one is add. So two projects with the software, one project with the documentation I'm providing. Total 3 projects. You can use it into your resume. Complete notes I'm giving, don't write any running notes. Just focus my class. Complete notes I'm giving. Not only notes, not only projects, some assignments I'm gonna provide. Some assignments I'm gonna provide. Just have a look. In regular class, some assignments you have to do. Here. Login, employee verification. For this you will get a software. For calculator you will get a software. Contact us. These are all some assignments. You are going to do it in the class. Okay. So after manual work is completed, then we are going to start with automation testing. One of the tool I am teaching you, which is called automation testing tool, which is called QTP, stands for Quick Test Professional. Along with this, one more tool also I'm providing, which is called management testing tool, which is called Quality Center. QC stands for Quality Center. So total 2 tools I'm providing. One is QTP, another one is QC. These 2 tools will be installed it into your system permanently, that too. It's not a trial version of 30 days or 45 days. Permanently these tools will be installed it into your system. Our concerned department, our training desk people will take care of those things. Clear up to now? Having any queries?
No, you're going a little fast for me, but so I'm not sure how you went from automation, manual automation to then real-time projects, banking, employee information. So
I didn't start at subject, my dear. Just what we are about to learn in future class I'm providing. First I'm going to start with manual testing.
okay.
What it is in detail in a class you will understand. Along with the manual testing process, in the middle I'm going to after the course completed, I'm going to provide you 3 projects to you. One is banking project is this. What it is in detail in coming class you will understand. Along with this, one more project called employee information system. Like if you go to any hospital, concerned reception will take the details of the patient and they will note down in the system. In the system means in their computers, some softwares will be there. In that, one of the software is called patient details form. Same software, I changed the title as an employee and I'm providing. This is one software. Front end we can fill the details. If you click save, it will get stored in back end some location, or it will get stored in one location. What is that
Okay.
location? In future class you will understand.
So
Just
that means
general
that's
forms.
manual software. Okay. Manual
Okay.
testing.
In manual testing only. Okay. Same. And same in manual testing only, one more project I will provide, which is called student registration form. In the school, HR is going to fill the forms, admin side. So student details will be filled out. Okay. In manual testing only 2-3 projects I am providing to you. You can use it. Complete notes I will give. No need to write any running notes. If you're not getting these 3 projects, don't worry. In future, what
Okay.
I'm going to provide to you, names, remember, just names only. Okay. So some assignments I'm providing in the class. Assignments means what? Some task, homeworks, which you have to do in the class, which is called assignments. To give some more extra information, some extra, what we are calling practice purpose, I'm giving some assignments. Okay. So after manual course completed, I'm going to start with the automation course by using one tool called QTP tool. This tool is this. Our concerned department will install it into your system. You no need to worry. In future class, I will teach you, not now. So what is the automation tool which you are learning is QTP tool, Quick Test Professional tool. Along with this, one more tool, just name, you remember the name, called Quality Center. What it is, in future class you will understand. First day itself I can't teach you all those things. You will get a confusion. Till now it's clear?
I think so, yes.
Fine. Now next, here. Complete my company's real-time environment I'm going to teach you. What is real-time environment process means? Minimum 3 to 4 years of experience, you can use it into your resume. That much of stuff, more than 3 years of experience also you can use it. That much of stuff I'm going to provide you.
You're saying that
If you're,
once I learn from you, I can write on my resume that I have 3 years of experience?
yes, you can.
Really?
Yes. Once my class started, you will understand. Maybe you may feel some confusion here or some doubt, but after my subject started, you will get to know. Will you make it or not? You will only ask. I will remember your question. I will ask you one day. Okay. At least after 2 weeks of time, I will ask you the same question to you.
Okay.
Okay. Yeah. Let's see. Now, real-time environment means what? See, if you're using 3 years of experience, basic information you should know about the real-time structure. Like, once you enter into the company, they will provide one official email ID to you. Like right now you are accessing Gmail account. In the same way in the company, all the tasks you will get with one software called Office Outlook Web Access. Same as Gmail how it is working, in the same way Outlook also. Do you have any idea about Outlook? With your
Yes, I
previous
do.
experience work,
Yes.
then it's wonderful. So all the tasks you will get through Outlook only. Company's official ID. Database admin will create your details. Okay. So what Outlook, because most of the students are non-technical and some students don't know about the Outlook. So from this level I will teach you. In the company some servers will be there, dear. Servers means some secured memory location where projects will be stored, which is called server, database server. What is this server also I will teach you in coming class, not now. Within the organization, you need to interact with your colleagues. For that, one communicator will be there, chatting purpose, like Yahoo Messenger, G-Talk, Google, GoToMeeting. Right now we are interacting. So those are all called communicators. We can chat. We can text. See, here I am texting. Hi, how are you? So I'm texting one message to you. In the same way, within the organization, you will get some internal softwares where you can interact with your colleagues, which is called communicator. What it is in detail you will get to know in the class. Then some share folders will be created. How you are getting an emails, how to reply the emails. From this level, I'm going to teach you. These are all my company's real-time environment process. Okay. What it is in regular class I will teach you. Here what is what. In future what you are about to learn, our agenda I am explaining you. Our duration. Our class duration, minimum 5 weeks of time it will take, dear.
Okay, including weekends?
No. That's the point I'm about to say. Minimum 5 weeks of time. Our regular classes will be Monday to Friday. Every day 1 hour class.
Okay.
Every day 1 hour class, Monday to Friday. This is our regular classes timing. Okay. Saturday, Sunday, no classes.
Okay, yesterday Prasad said that he could do weekends, so that's why I was asking.
No. I'm sorry. I'm not going to take the weekend classes.
No problem.
Are
That's
you?
fine.
Yes, you're saying
Yes,
something?
no problem. I said no problem. That's fine.
Okay, that's cool. Okay, this is whatever 5 weeks of time it will takes to me to complete the course. It may increases, dear, according to your understandability. Because some students may understand quickly, some students may not understand. So according to your understandability, getting slow, if I'm my way, if you're not catching, you may ask me. So again, I'm gonna repeat. So based on that time, it may increases, depends upon the situations. Okay.
Okay.
Then resume preparation. Yes.
What about the software that I have to download? When will I start to use that?
That after manual course completed, maybe 2.5 weeks. Once we started regular class, I didn't started yet. Once we started our regular class, after 2.5 weeks, you need to start the automation. On that time we required. Right now it's not required.
Will I have to do homework on the software after class? Like, will there be an assignment?
Assignments in manual I will provide you. In automation, whatever I am explaining you, same thing you have to do it by your end with new options. Means some new options, new input data you need to decide, you need to collect by your end and you need to do. I will let you know how to do.
Okay, so basically, yes, there is homework. Okay, after class.
Yeah. Every day, once we complete our task, you have to do some homework, so that I'm going to conduct in the middle of the classes, I'm going to conduct one general test in the class. I want to know where you are in the subject. It's not like that simply you're coming to my classes, attending and moving out. That is not my style of teaching and not your style of learning also. I want to know where you are in the subject. Okay?
Great.
Fine. Resume preparation with mock interview. I said now mock interview means it's nothing but a general test I will conduct. It's nothing but a slip test. Just oral discussion, practically how you're writing test cases, how you're tracking the defect. I'm going to share your screen. I'm going to ask you to write. In that way, our interaction will be there.
Okay, but Vidya, I just want to let you know, I don't like lying on my resume that I have 3 years of experience in QA.
This question, I'm
Yeah.
going to ask you after 2.5 weeks of my subject until make a question mark.
Okay.
Okay? You no need to, we are not doing any crime, dear. First of all, your talent you are making over there. That is only. Best funda in testing side is learn one time, use your job lifetime. That is the best thing. The work itself is same, dear. 8 years back, what I did till now, I'm doing the same work. Whereas come to programmers, for them it is vary, but not for the testers. Learn
Oh,
one time, use your job lifetime. No matter how many years of experience you are making. Okay? So after class of 2 weeks, I will ask you this question. Then you can
okay.
answer me. Okay? We are not doing
Okay.
any crime. That the subject you are learning and presenting in proper way in the company. Okay? So for that, no problem. Now, live class will get recorded. Live class will get recorded. That recording option is given to you once I started regular class. Okay?
Okay.
Recording file will be provided to you. Or else I will make into your system recording option. So that every day recording will be there into your computer. Directly it will get stored into your system itself. So this is what our agenda. Just structure I have given. I didn't started anything. What is what we are about to plan is this. In these 10 points, if you're having any queries, you can ask me.
No, you explained everything.
Very good. Okay, so let's start with one basic concept. Like you are entering into the software company as I told you. That too where means in testing department. That too what is your role means tester. What you are about to do means that we are going to discuss later. Make a question mark. Before that you should know what exactly works done in software company. That is very important. What kind of works done in software company. Example, you are just discussing with your friends and you are saying that I'm planning to shift into the software company. I'm going to trying to shift my career into the software company. Just you informed them. Immediately they're going to ask this question. So you are planning to enter into the software company. Basically what work is done in software company? If this is the question raised to you, what is your answer, dear? Tell me.
All kinds of different work in software company. They make software.
They make softwares. Very good. Okay. So immediately you will answer like the software companies used to make the softwares. Best example in your mobile WhatsApp is there. That WhatsApp software is implemented by software company itself. Like this you can answer. Right. So I'm talking about throughout the world. 80% of the software companies are developing projects and products. These projects and products only. Some companies they are calling it as a applications. Some companies they are calling it as a build. Just now you said na software. Some other companies calling it as a software. Some other companies they are calling it as a source file. Names are different, but the thing is same, which is called software only. that software we can call it as a project or a product. So 80% of the software companies are developing projects and products, and rest of the 20% of the software companies are dealing with outsourcing like telecalling, telemarketing, customer care services, which is called BPO sector jobs, business processing outsource. This is not at all your target, my dear. What is your target right now? Means your target is to enter into the software company, that too in testing department as a tester, to test projects and products. This is your actual target, not even developing. Your job is to test. Got one structure now?
Okay.
So 80% of the software industries are implementing the projects and products. As a tester, you have to test that projects and products, not this 20% companies work.
Okay.
Now, let's see what is project. You understand the testers are going to test the project. Before learning testing, you should know what is project. For this, let's have an example. A is a person. That person wants one pen and is having his own needs or a information. What is that needs or information means? That person is saying, I want one pen body color should be blue. For writing purpose, one pen is required to that a person. I'm talking about the meaning of project, my dear. For that, let's have an example. Pen body color should be blue. One tattoo means one image or tattoo should be there. It should write in blue color. So this is the needs of a person in pen. With this needs or information only, this a person is coming into my location. Who I am means, example only, I am developing pens. This is my business. This a person is coming into my location and asking to develop the pen. I analyzed these information and I'm saying to this a person like, if you come after 2 days, means timelines, with the cost called around $50, example only. If you come after 2 days with $50, I'm gonna develop the pen for you. What's going on means one agreement is going on between a person and me. Once this person agrees, immediately this a person is belongs to client for me, and this needs in technical we are calling it as a requirements. So with this requirements only, what I did here is I developed pen like this. Have a look. I developed a pen like this. Blue color, one tattoo, and it is writing in blue. This is called project. So my dear, what is project means? Project is something, observe my mouse pointer here. Project is something which is developed based on this client. A person is a client once the agreement is done. Based on this client requirements and used by that particular client only. Not to the X person, not to the Y person. A is the responsible person to use this pen, and this pen is a project. Again I am repeating. What is project? Means project is something which is developed based on this client requirements and used by that particular client only, not to the X person, not to the Y person. A is the responsible person to use this pen and this pen is a project. Clear?
Clear.
Live example I will give. Okay. Before that, let's write the definition here so that these notes I'm going to release to you. Project is something which is developed based on client requirements and used by that client only. Is called project. Dear, you guess it. What do you mean by product? Just guess. You got a meaning of project. According to you, what is product?
A product could be anything.
Anything? Give me one example.
A product could be, I'm thinking,
Take your time, no problem.
it could be a, like a feature. Like I'm usually on Delta Airlines website trying to use my Sky Miles to book a hotel, but I have so much trouble, I give up. So a product would be something that solves the problem, or is that a solution?
No, it is also one of the software only. I'll tell you. According to the software work, okay? So let's see what is product. What is my job right now? Example, I used to develop the pens. This is my business. I want to improve my business. If I want to improve my business of pens development business, what I'm going to do? First, I'm going to search what kind of pens most of the users are using in the market, right? If I want to improve something means who is my competitor? I want to see first. What my competitor is doing, I want to see. In the same way, right now my business is to develop the pens. I'm searching in the market what kind of pens most of the users are using. And I got this list of pens. I analyzed best features of this pens list. Let's see, some users are using yellow color pen, maybe color is smooth. Red color, maybe way of writing is smooth. Blue color, maybe cost is low. So I analyzed best features of this pens list. I created my own requirements. No person is giving the requirements. No X person is giving the requirements to me. I created my own requirements. I developed pen like this and I'm selling this pen to multiple users in the market. This is called product. So my dear, product is something which is developed based on company's own requirements and sell to multiple users in the market. Live example I will show you. So before that, let me write down the definition of the product. Project means one person is coming to our company asking to create one pen. We created, given to that person only. Whereas come to product, product is something which is developed based on company specification. It's nothing but a requirements only. Okay. What do you mean by requirements? Means it's a needs or a information. It's called requirements. And used by multiple users in the market. It's called product. Okay. Now best example I will show you. See, I'm browsing one browser called Firefox browser. in this? Here, I'm opening one Facebook login window. Okay. See, my dear, this Facebook, this is one software only. This is created by Facebook company and released in the market, and millions of users are using. So this is called product. You can ask me, how come it is product? I'm not purchasing, means why you are not purchasing, dear? If internet connectivity is not working, means you can't access. So indirect business is going on. You didn't ask Facebook company, I want Facebook title should be in this way, text field should be display in this way, option should be display in this way. You didn't ask anything. It is created by Facebook company and released in the market, and millions of users are using. This is one of the wonderful product. Then what is
Wait, I'm
project?
confused. You said it was a software, then you said it was a product.
Software is nothing but a project or a product. Both are softwares only.
Oh, okay. Software
Right?
is either a project or a product. Okay.
See, here I said na, project and product called application or a build or a software or a source file. Different names are there for project and product. Both are. For both we can call it as a software, but usage in the market is different, I'm saying. Got it? Project
Yes.
means, yeah. And what is project means, if you go to any shopping mall, if you purchased any goods, concerned person will capture the price with the help of barcode machine, right?
Right.
In their system, one software is there. That software is called project. That software you can't access at your computer, na? There, according to their logo, color coding, their standards, it is created and given to that shopping mall, and that shopping mall organization people only they can use, not we. So here project means particular persons are coming to our location asking to create the software. If we create and given to that particular person only is called project. Product means no one is asking. Company itself created and selling into the market. Very important note. Both project and product, both are softwares and both are developed by development department, and both are tested by testing department, but usage in the market is different.
Okay.
Right? Usage in the market is different. See, your Gmail account is there. Millions of users are using Gmail account. It is wonderful product. Go to meeting, just now you logged into the software. That is also one of the product only. We didn't ask it. They created, released in the market, we are using. Millions of users. Project means particular person can access. It's called project. So ultimately both are softwares, both are implemented by developers, and both are tested by testers. Usage in the market is different.
Okay.
This project and product only, as a tester you are going to test it. Okay dear, clear up to now?
Yes, thank you.
Fine. So this is how our flow will be. If you feel that my way of teaching is fast, let me know. I'm going to slow down. Okay?
Okay.
In case if you're feeling in that way, just let me know. I will make little slow to move on to the further step. So this is how our classes will be going on. You just discuss with your concerned department and let me know. So right now batch is not yet started here. I'm about to start. That you will get the information from our training desk. Okay. Today they're gonna inform you. Just talk to them.
Okay.
Okay. So do you have any queries, concerns? You can ask me now.
So starting tomorrow, how many people will be in class? Just me and you, or?
No, no, people are there, but not yet decided, dear. Required some more time. Not tomorrow. You will get the information soon.
Okay, but I am having class tomorrow?
That you will talk to your concerned department because batch is not yet fixed, dear. Other batch is going on. They are in the last stage. So soon I'm going to complete that batch and I'm going to start this batch. This timing, last topics are going on with that batch. So tomorrow most probably you won't have a class.
Oh, okay. Because I don't want to waste any more time. I already started class last week or 2 weeks ago with a different vendor. So I took 5 classes and
So what's the problem in that?
well, the vendor was too expensive and they just kept lying. They said they had a project at IBM and who knows if they're lying, but they were a lot more money and they weren't really that good.
Okay, with the same company or new other company?
Oh, different company.
Okay, I'm sorry. Okay, you will not get this kind of problems in my session, dear. Only the thing is, these many days you have waited. I'm really thankful to you. Just a few days I need, dear, because that last topics are going on. I can't stop them in the middle, honestly speaking. I don't want to lie, right?
Okay, but
As a
how
teacher.
many how many students do you usually have in class?
In class, below 8.
Okay.
Not
And then
more than very
them are,
rare cases.
all of them are free to ask questions, all 8 people?
But not your batch. I'm just previous batch experience. I'm telling you right now your batch is not yet fixed. So everyone having you can freely ask me whatever doubts you're having. No shy, nothing. I will clarify your doubts first, then only I can move on to the next step. So you no need to worry about those things.
Okay, great.
Okay, you will get to know. Otherwise, if you want some regular course, you will get a confusion. No need. You will get to know in the class itself. Okay.
Okay.
Okay, dear. Any more doubts, queries if you are having, you can ask me.
No, will class be at the same time once it starts,
Okay.
10:30?
Is this only your comfortable time or do you have any early time also? Do you want early also? Or will you manage early also? Is it possible?
I can do 10 a.m. Central Time.
Okay. Right now, what's the time?
Right now it's almost 11:30 Central Time.
Okay. Okay. So half an hour early you can make it. That's what you're saying. Not more than half an hour early?
I mean, I can do 9:30 if you really need it. Yeah.
That I will let you know. Okay. Thank you so much and I will let you know regarding the timing.
Okay,
Okay.
thank you.
As per your comfortability only I will go, dear. You no need to worry.
Okay, thank you.
So make sure the software has to be installed. So just I will make a call to your concerned department. I will discuss regarding these things. Okay.
Okay, but you said I don't need it for 2.5 weeks, so.
Yeah, right now it's not needed, but I will inform them anyways. Okay.
Okay.
Minimum 2 weeks it's not required.
Okay.
Minimum 2 weeks it will not required.
Great, thank you.
Okay, dear. Take care. Bye bye.
Have a good day. Bye-bye.
Yeah. Thank you. Bye bye.